So this is the best AI app that you can use to create long videos. Okay? So on this app, you can get to create for as long as 30 minutes video. So if you're looking to start a faceless YouTube channel, or you're looking to start a YouTube channel where you want to be creating short videos for as long as 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes, and of course 30 minutes, you heard me right, 30 good minutes, then with this app you can do it. Okay, now one of the best things about this app is that you get to create your images on that app, your videos, and of course your lip syncing also on that same app. Okay, now what I mean by lip syncing is that I want to get your characters on the video to start talking, then this app is going to help you to do everything in that same app. Another very good thing about this app is that, I mean, the music you generate from the app are absolutely copyright free. The images are copyright free, and of course the videos as well are also copyright free. This is the only AI app that I've seen, that I personally have seen, that can do all of these things in one place without jumping from one app to the other. Okay, so it is free, like I said. It is free to some extent, but then when you want to enhance your video more, when you want more extra features, I mean, you pay just a little token. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so for more amazing content on digital marketing and AI. So the first thing we need to do is to head over to ChatGPT to create our scripts. Sign up if you have not signed up. For me here, I'm using a ChatGPT app. You can also do this from your Chrome browser. Okay, so I gave it a script that says, give me a 1 minute video, give me a 1 minute short story about a young girl and a boy in the countryside for a summer vacation. And it goes ahead to give me the script, but then I wasn't so comfortable with it. I wanted more because I wanted it to be very precise with names, so I had to add their names are Bola and Uju. Okay, so here it gave me something much better than what it gave me earlier. You can see, so it has Bola and Uju had never met before this summer. So when it comes to scripting, your prompting matters a lot. So the next thing we need to do is to head over to the next app, which is Magic Light, to create our video. Here, this is what the landing page looks like. Okay, we have AI videos and AI characters. Sign up if you've not signed up. Okay, these are a few of the videos on the platform that you can create. Okay, and then you can create and start sharing on different social media platforms. Okay, but then for the sake of this video, let's go ahead and start creating our own magic. Okay, here you can see smart scripts, basic script, and template script, trending template. So go ahead and paste the script that will go from ChatGPT. Okay, for the video duration, you can make 1 minute video, which is free, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, you know, down to 10 minutes, and of course 20 minutes video and 30 minutes video. Like I told you from beginning, they can make 30 minutes video on this platform. Okay, so we are choosing the 1 minute video because it's free. The rest are not free. Okay, but they are very, very affordable. Then choose the video language, of course. Choose a video language, and of course choose landscape because we are making a YouTube video and not reels or TikTok video. Then choose the style that you want. Okay, there are different styles here that you can choose from: supreme, painting, clay. Okay, so many options you can choose from depending on what you want to create. And here we are choosing Disney, so you have to wait for the story to analyze. So please, if you've watched to this point, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. It will help me to go a long way. So you can see that our story has been splitted into 3 scenes because it's a 1 minute video. It says the video is approximately 1 minute and 10 seconds. So go ahead and click on next if you're done checking out the different scenes for the script. Okay, here now we are going to create our characters. The first character we are creating here is Bola. We can choose change the voice. Okay, I'm using team voice. Change the gender if you want. Okay, here is a character that he gave us, and I'm very comfortable with this character. If you don't like it, you can change it as well. We are creating our second character, which is Uju. We also have father and I think mother character to create. So for the Uju character, I'm choosing the voice of Mata. Okay, if you don't want it, you can change it. The female, of course, the age, you can choose whatever you want here depending on what your story looks like. Okay, so you have to click on OK when you are done and see what character it shows you. Then you can just choose from any of the ones that it shows you, and if you're not comfortable with anyone, you can go ahead and change it as well. Okay, so that's okay. Remember, we are working with free version, okay, so you don't exhaust your credits. Now we are creating our third for the second character here. So we want to like create a prompt for the character, okay. So you all remember earlier I said when you're scripting, your prompting matters a lot, because whatever it is that you put out as your prompt is also what the AI is going to generate for you, okay. So you need to be very sure of what you want to put and be very, very precise. And for my prompting here, I said a beautiful Indian black girl with a curly hair and a nice dentition. And the dentition part actually does not really matter, okay. So but then the main thing is that you wanted someone that is black and has a curly hair, okay, with a nice dentition. Like I said, the dentition does not matter, okay. So now when you're done, click on create and then you wait for a few seconds, a few minutes, okay, for you to generate the image. And of course, look at what you generated for us, and it's more like what I requested for. I wanted a girl with a curly hair. Click on next, of course, and move ahead. Let's create the next character. Sometimes you don't even have to create all of this, just choose from whatever options they give to you, because they're working with free version, okay. Now because if you're working with the premium version, of course you have your choices are not limited. So but here our choices are limited. Now so our choices are limited, so you have to be very, very careful not to exhaust your credit as well, because once you exhaust it, it will take you to the next one. Now we've created that character. We want to now create the father character and the mother character. I'm choosing from what it has given to me already here, okay, and for me that's perfectly okay. That's perfectly okay. You can see what it has given to me. That's okay. That's fine. It depicts the story which I'm portraying here. So also for your own, so whatever character they show you have to depict also your story, okay. When you're done, click on next or click on create, and then it takes you to this page. Here it will tell you the speed time depends on what you want. If you want the premium version, the speed time is going to be fast, but please continue with the free version, okay, because you can't possibly be paying for every AI tools that is out there. Now the script is generating. If you look at the down part, okay, the scripts are generating. There's so many scripts, so many images that is trying to create it, so it's going to take a while. You can see it has generated the first script, and then even the second one is still loading, but the third and the fourth and the subsequent ones are completely loaded, okay. Just give it a time or give it a minute. It's going to generate beautiful scenes for you they are going to use to start creating magic on social media platforms, okay. I mean, for me, this is one of the best AI tools that you can think of, because it can generate up to 30 minutes video from this. Of course, you can imagine if you want to start a YouTube channel, the magic you can do if you start using this app. I mean, it's endless. It's endless. This is not just a few seconds video, 1 minute video. If you want to start creating long movies, you know, or stories on social media and make money from it and even monetize it, you can with this platform. And the best part of this is that, you know, the images are not copyrighted, the music are not copyrighted, and of course the videos are not copyrighted. Now if you click on different features, you can see all what you can do. Now for the free version, you cannot animate I mean to say, or you can animate just a scene, and then the other ones, the other scenes you cannot animate. So you can see one is moving and one is static. The free version will give you the static one, okay, but the premium one will give you dynamic one, okay. So but it's very cheap. If you can afford to pay for it, it's very cheap. I think it's less than $3 something. Now for the scenes here, you can choose, you know, the header style that you want, okay. And if you don't want it, it's totally okay, so you can remove it. For me, I did not even use it. I put no title at all. Then over here you can, you know, increase the volume of the voice or the music that you must have chosen. Okay, there is a particular one by default. If you don't want to, just play around it and choose the one you want. Okay, then the video ratio, because it's a YouTube video, we are choosing the ratio 16:19, and then video exports, we are exporting our video. Finally, we cannot wait to see the magic that we've created together. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful, and this is amazing, because now if you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, you don't want anybody to see your face right there. This is like, this is a go-to for you. Okay, now the videos have been created. You can see this is as superb. I think I need to play so it can. Let me increase the volume so you can hear it properly.
Oblivious chatter, a stark contrast to the children's unspoken emotions. Uju steals another glance at Bola, then quickly looks away.
Now tell me if you don't like the magic that we just created. I mean, do you know so much you can do with these AI tools? I mean, it's so endless. Okay, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more AI videos like this. I promise never to disappoint with any of my content. It's going to help me to grow and to go a long way on this platform. Okay, feel free to share it with your friends who are interested in creating their own, content on social media, and don't just feel like showing up their faces. Okay, feel free to share with your friends, like I just said. Like, comment and share, and of course tell me in the comment section if you like this, and also tell me what AI video that you're finding difficult to create that you would like me to create for you. And then if there is any other thing on this video that you have question on, please go ahead and put it in the comment section. I'll be much more than glad, okay, to answer your questions. And of course, check my page for other fantastic videos and upcoming ones. Bye.